Did you know that apples are one of the most popular fruits in the world? They're also a great choice for raw vegans. Apples are packed with nutrients, including fiber, vitamin C, and potassium. They're also low in calories and fat. Apples are a nutritious and delicious food that can be easily incorporated into a raw vegan diet. In this video, I'll share some of my favorite ways to eat apples, as well as some delicious and easy recipes. Why apples are a good choice for raw vegans. Apples are a good choice for raw vegans for a number of reasons. First, they are a good source of nutrients that are important for raw vegans, such as fiber, vitamin C, and potassium. Fiber is an important nutrient for overall health. It helps to keep your digestive system healthy, regulate blood sugar levels, and reduce cholesterol levels. Apples are a good source of both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance that can help to lower cholesterol levels and slow down digestion. Insoluble fiber does not dissolve in water and helps to add bulk to stool, which can help prevent constipation. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps to protect your cells from damage. It is also important for immune function, wound healing, and collagen production. Potassium. Potassium is an important electrolyte that helps to regulate blood pressure and muscle function. It is also important for fluid balance and nerve function. In addition to fiber, vitamin C, and potassium, apples also contain other nutrients, such as vitamin A, vitamin E, B vitamins, and magnesium. Second, apples are low in calories and fat. This makes them a good choice for people who are trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Third, apples are versatile. They can be eaten fresh, juiced, blended, or baked. This makes them easy to incorporate into a raw vegan diet. Here are some specific examples of how apples can be incorporated into a raw vegan diet. Breakfast. Add apple slices to a raw oatmeal bowl or smoothie. Lunch. Pack a fresh apple or apple slices in your lunchbox. Add apple slices to a salad or sandwich. Dinner. Make a raw apple pie or crumble for dessert. Snacks. Eat a fresh apple as a snack or with nut butter. Add apple slices to a trail mix. Why to eat apples on a raw vegan diet? In addition to the nutritional benefits of apples and their versatility, there are a number of other reasons why apples are a good choice for raw vegans. Apples are a good source of prebiotics. Prebiotics are a type of fiber that is not digested by humans. Instead, they are fermented by the good bacteria in your gut. This fermentation process produces short-chain fatty acids, which have a number of health benefits, including improving gut health, reducing inflammation, and boosting immunity. Apples are a good source of antioxidants. Antioxidants are compounds that help to protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's disease. Apples contain a number of antioxidants, including vitamin C, vitamin E, and quercetin. Apples are a good source of flavonoids. Flavonoids are a type of plant compound that has been shown to have a number of health benefits, including reducing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and cancer. Apples contain a variety of flavonoids, including epicatechin, quercetin, and procyanidins. Apples are low in calories and fat. This makes them a good choice for people who are trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. One medium apple contains about 95 calories and no fat. Apples are affordable and accessible. Apples are a popular fruit that is available year-round in most grocery stores. They are also relatively affordable. How to eat apples on a raw vegan diet. Apples are a popular fruit for people who follow a raw vegan diet. They are a good source of fiber, vitamin C, and potassium, and they are low in calories and fat. Apples can be eaten fresh, juiced, blended, or baked. Fresh apples, wash the apple thoroughly. Eat the apple whole or slice it and enjoy. You can also add apple slices to salads, smoothies, or other dishes. Juiced apples. Wash the apples thoroughly. Remove the cores and seeds from the apples. Juice the apples using a juicer. Drink the apple juice on its own or add it to smoothies or other recipes. Blended apples. Wash the apples thoroughly. Remove the cores and seeds from the apples. Cut the apples into small pieces. Blend the apples in a blender with other fruits, vegetables, and plant milk. Enjoy your apple smoothie. Baked apples. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, 93 degrees Celsius. Wash the apples thoroughly. Cut the apples into thin slices. Place the apple slices on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake the apple slices for 1-2 hours or until they are soft and chewy. Enjoy your baked apples on their own or add them to other dishes such as oatmeal or yogurt.
And so the enchanting story of Samuel, Lily, and the bottled gin was etched into the tapestry of their village, forever inspiring love, hope, and the belief that miracles truly existed in the world.
How to eat apples on a raw vegan diet. Apples are a delicious and nutritious food that can be easily incorporated into a raw vegan diet. They are a good source of fiber, vitamin C, and potassium, and they are low in calories and fat. Apples can be eaten fresh, juiced, blended, or baked. Fresh apples. Fresh apples are a versatile and convenient way to eat apples on a raw vegan diet. They can be eaten on their own, added to salads or smoothies, or used as a topping for other dishes. To eat a fresh apple, simply wash it thoroughly and eat it whole, or slice it and enjoy. You can also add apple slices to salads, smoothies, or other dishes. For example, you could add apple slices to a raw oatmeal bowl, a green salad, or a fruit smoothie. Juiced apples. Juiced apples are another way to enjoy the nutrients of apples on a raw vegan diet. Juicing apples removes the fiber from the fruit, but it retains the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. To juice apples, simply wash them thoroughly and remove the cores and seeds. Then, juice the apples using a juicer. You can drink the apple juice on its own, or add it to smoothies or other recipes. For example, you could add apple juice to a smoothie with other fruits and vegetables, or you could use it to make a raw vegan apple cider vinegar salad dressing. Blended apples. Blended apples are a great way to enjoy the nutrients and flavor of apples in a smoothie. Smoothies are a quick and easy way to get a serving of fruits and vegetables, and they can be customized to your liking. To make an apple smoothie, simply wash the apples thoroughly and remove the cores and seeds. Then, cut the apples into small pieces. Add the apples to a blender with other fruits, vegetables, and plant milk. Blend the ingredients until smooth. Enjoy your apple smoothie. Baked apples. Baked apples are a delicious and healthy way to eat apples on a raw vegan diet. Baking apples softens them and enhances their flavor. To bake apples, preheat your oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, 93 degrees Celsius. Wash the apples thoroughly and cut them into thin slices. To bake apples, preheat your oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, 93 degrees Celsius. Wash the apples thoroughly and cut them into thin slices. Place the apple slices on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake the apple slices for 1 to 2 hours.